Hey there, welcome to your Shopify Dropshipping course. Here you can learn Shopify Dropshipping with real business. So, if you wanted to make money online and build a successful e-commerce business with Shopify Dropshipping and AliExpress from scratch with dessert, then this course is for you. This is not just a theoretical project or theoretical course to show you the process how to start dropshipping business, but this is a real life project or real business project from where you can learn everything from a real business. So we are going to start a new dropshipping business and you can learn how to start dropshipping business following this course. Also, we are not going to just show you how to build a website, we also show you how to select product, start marketing, and how to bring traffic, make customers, sales product, a lot of things that will be totally helpful for any beginner. So I hope you will continue this video. And I want to share very important things with you, that is, if you have already started a business with Shopify and you are not getting any sales, you are not getting any audience customers in your store, and you wanted to start marketing but you don't know how to start marketing for your dropshipping product, then this course totally helpful for you, because I will show you everything in step by step. We are going to start with a website that already built, but that is not really so professional, so SEO friendly and so user friendly, and that's why this course will be very helpful for beginner also who already started their dropshipping business with Shopify. And this is not just a theoretical course, I want to say again, because I want to share the importance of this course. And you can see that this website SEO score very down, that is not rankable right now. Also, if you look this website, that is not so professional, so user friendly. If you check it very deeply, you can see that the typography and the color combination is not so user friendly, so professional. Also, we'll talk about the product layout and a lot of things that is totally helpful for any new Shopify users and dropshippers. So I hope you will continue this course one by one and step by step with me. So now here is the question, that what you actually learn from this course. So from this course you can learn how to design a professional Shopify store without any coding skill, and how to make a super fast Shopify store, because website speed is too importance. I want to share one things about that in here, because this is not just a in general course that others people share. So why we are going to learn super speed Shopify store, because a 1 second site speed improvement can increase mobile conversion by up to 27%. That is most important. That's why we are going to make a super fast speed Shopify store, not just a general Shopify store. Then you can learn how to add product, which product we should add, and how we can import or upload or listing the product in our store from dessert website, I mean AliExpress website, and how to start marketing. So every step will be very helpful for any beginner. So I hope all of you continue this course, and this is totally brand new course and helpful for any new dropshipper. So I hope you understand everything about the course and course purpose, and you will continue this course with me. Finally, all of that we will make money, we'll start selling product from our store and we can make money. So thank you for your time to joining this course, and hope you will finish this course from the beginning to complete. So thank you again for your time to joining this course, and if you like this course, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day, see you there.